Unfortunately, guys, I came here very late, and a lot of people are pulling up at this very moment. So please, please, please bear with me. Enjoy the sounds. I think I'm going to put some music over this because if I don't, they will strike my video for some copyright infringement. So enjoy the video. Nice one. And this with the hush puppy raps and stuff. Sorry about the music, like I don't know whether this will cause like an issue, but yeah. I have to say this is one of the cleanest Mercedes-Benz 190s. And like, look, it has a very nice steering wheel. I don't know what steering wheel this is, to be honest. Cody? Yeah. And like the interior is really solid. With the BBS's. And this is the man behind it all. Please, she's hiding. So this is the owner of the beauty.
My guy.
Charlie, congratulations on your machine. Which one? This one. For now, this one. I've heard something.
Oh, you got it.
I've heard Congratulations on both of them. But this is too clean, bro. This is way too clean. Hopefully we see other things very soon.
Don't worry, it's coming.
Soon. Say it again.
E36 in this country. Sedan, coupe, drop top.
Maybe so.
Alright, Jamal, we have someone here who's going to educate us. Briefly. Not too much, briefly.
Police, please, I'm reporting somebody to the police. Look at the police. Charlie, so you say what's next? What's next on the agenda?
24th December, Bukum Boxing Arena, Drift and Test Arena experience.
Thank you.
Experience what you've never experienced before.
Thank you. Come and see Policia. So what are you saying?
That's premium.
This is the way to go.
Yeah?
This is the way to go.
With the glasses in the middle.
Forget the Rolls Royce. Get a Maybach.
Do you agree?
100%. Forget the rollie, man. Forget the rollie.
Get a Rolls Royce. Get a Maybach.
Guys, look at this. And then your driver is chauffeuring you. Hi! Yeah, Lloyd. I didn't know.
Nice one. Charlie. Thanks for passing.
I'll give you some tea jokes. That's a Tesla. Tesla, give us something. Tesla. You did all of this for us. So much dust. Look, and in this season where there's so much dust, it's so crazy for somebody to do that. I catch you already. Why you did try hide? I catch you already.
Is that the
What, which one? Yeah. And my boy did the donut.